to my channel. I just want to say thanks to everyone who is watching this video, who subscribed, and those who will be subscribed after watching this video. Okay, so as you can see, it's lunchtime, and we about to get ready for the quarantine cooks. Let's get it. Okay, so today's video, we are making gourmet noodles. Yes, for lunch today. So we will be using the Shinbo noodle. We'll be using that today. I didn't want to use the regular top ramen, but you know, I need a little bit more. I'm hungry today. I'm hungry. So to start with this video, I'm just going to show you a little bit of basic ingredients that you will need. One, you'll need some extra virgin olive oil, some garlic salt, seasoning powder, salt, whatever you want to call it. I have some onion granules as well. And then I have, this is the most important part of this gourmet meal. It has to be gourmet. We're gonna add some seafood. So we are going to add in some bumblebee smoked oysters. Yes, yes. And then we are going to add in this concoction that I just created. This is some shrimp with some mushrooms. We're gonna stir fry up a little bit. And as you can see, all right, I think it's almost ready. Okay, and then some other ingredients. Seaweed. I want to add some seaweed in my noodles today. And then I have some old cooking grease. Old cooking grease. This is old chicken cooking grease. And I tell people about the cooking grease, you know, because it adds to that. So I'm going to go ahead. So that's going on. Let me turn that off because that's pretty hot. So we're going to take our noodles out of the packaging. Noodles out of the packaging. Get the skillet kind of warm, add a little bit of olive oil. And we're gonna just get the skillet warm. You don't need a big skillet for this at all, you don't. So I'm gonna open up my noodles now. My hand's a little oily. Not adding in the flavor yet. But I am gonna go ahead and add some seaweed pieces. So I'm just gonna go ahead and split those in half and drop them in. These are like little, what are they, Annie Chun seaweed snacks. I love them because they're like wasabi based. So they really, like, I like spicy. They get you, you know, your nostrils are brewing and all of that and all of that. My oil's hot. I'm gonna go ahead and add my shrimp and mushrooms. The shrimp was just like left over from the other day, and I'm like, no, I'm just gonna add them in my noodles because I only have like 2 left. So I just cut those up and add in some garlic powder. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of Saison. You're not gonna use a whole one, just a little, and you're gonna put a little bit in your noodles. And this don't need to be on high. A little simmer. Let that simmer, okay? My oysters. And I'm gonna drain some of the hot sauce out. Okay. So I'm gonna take my noodles, right? My oysters. I'm only gonna use half a can if I decide to eat some later. But I'm going to slice the oysters before I drop them in. Right? Yeah, just have a little more in there. And if I don't use the rest of the oysters, I'll probably put on some crackers and some cheese. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of the onion granular in here. A little bit of onion. Got my oyster in there. I'm gonna add in my oil now. So I'm taking a big spoon. So this is the leftover oil, and this is the pieces that you want. So those are like old chicken pieces from being like fried. And I basically just take all that seasoning and I put it in my noodles. So to almost finish this, I'm adding in now the packet of seasoning that came with the noodles. And then if you watched my other video, I made my own spice. So I made my own green sauce. So this is the green sauce. In the green sauce is garlic, onions, celery, pepper. So I'm only gonna use a little bit of that because it is spicy and I already add a lot of spice already. I'm gonna go ahead and add my gourmet. Okay. I'm adding that in there. So that's the shrimp, the mushroom. And now I'm gonna add my water. So I'm gonna add my water and I'm gonna let that sit and then I'll be back when it boils up. All right now. Gourmet noodles at your service. So if y'all just wanna know how I did it, you know, you can ask me questions or whatever, anything you want. Other than that, I'm gonna go eat my lunch. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you all later.